Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Jimbro filter on Instagram. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your Instagram application, and this is the Jimbro filter here. Alright, so to activate this filter, you want to go ahead and follow Jim August. Alright, I'm going to view his page. You want to click here. Right, so this is Jim August's page, and you want to make sure you follow him. Okay, and go ahead and follow him, and then you want to scroll down until you can see Jimbro. Okay, this one right here, click on it, and you're gonna see try it. You want to go ahead and hit that. Right, we're here again, and this is the effect. Okay, and what you want to do is to go ahead and save this effect. Okay, right, suppose you're not getting this effect like this, what you can do is to click on the link in the description and join me on this page. Okay, right, so once you're here, what you want to do is to scroll down until you can see this very link here. You want to go ahead and click on the link to activate the effect on your Instagram account. Alright, so that's the effect once more. And guys, this is how to get the Jimbro filter on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.